Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex, and in today's video we are reviewing, unboxing and also doing a giveaway on this Lige watch. So that's the reason why I'm wearing gloves for this review, so then I don't get any fingerprints on it, and with the whole coronavirus stuff going on, don't want to, take that risk. So let's get on with it. So for the giveaway, I'm going to have a description down below, so have a look at that. There's a few stuff that I need to do, and also make sure you're subscribed. So yeah, let's get on with it. So let's take the lid off. So in the under tray, you've got a bit of protective bubbles in there, so it looks after the watch face. Let's put it to the side. In the box, you get a little screwdriver, and that's to adjust the bracelet, so you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you fancy. And just get the foam off, put that to the side. You get a bit of a small cleaning cloth to clean the face. You get a little tag, get a little booklet of how it works, etc. So in the index, English and Dutch, so you get all the kind of information that you need. And then you also get a little international guarantee card. And then right at the bottom, there's another bit of foam to look after the watch. Right, so let's bring back the watch. So it comes in this kind of protective plastic cover. Let's put that to the side. And then let's have a look at the watch. So it's got all the kind of plastic coverings, etc. This is the watch face. I think there's a bit of dust. Yep. So you've got your, I think your seconds, your minutes, and then also you got your Lige watch branding, chronograph, 5 ATM. So I think that means it's waterproof to 5 ATM. Let's have a look at the side. So you've got your three kind of dials. You've got your little protective band thing, so once I take it off, it'll start working. It's got some cover at the back. It's got the metallic mesh, and you've got your bracelet here, and I'll show you how to adjust that later. And then you've got your clasp here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is quickly run through some details of this watch. Right, so the case material is stainless steel, strap material is stainless steel, the mirror itself, the glass itself is mineral glass, the bottom cover is 304 steel, the case diameter is 47 mils, case thickness is 14 millimeters, including the glass. The strap width is 22 millimeters width. The watch length is 255 millimeters, including the straps, the buckles, and also it weighs 95 grams. I also forgot to mention it's got the calendar functionality as well. So the hands are also meant to be luminous, so in the dark you should be able to tell the time still. Right, so it's quite a sunny day and it's a lot of glare, but hopefully you guys can still see it. What I'm going to do now is start unwrapping the little films, etc. So yeah, let's get on with that. The reason why I left the films and stuff, I just want to show you that it's new and it's not been used, just for your kind of satisfaction. Right, so I've got all the wrappers and stuff off, so the mesh looks a lot better now. You can see how clean it is. The back, you can see how clean it is, no scratches, etc. And here is the clasp. Let's have a closer look. It's a little bit fiddly with the glasses, but yeah, there you go. Hopefully you can focus in. Have a better close, stainless steel on there. And you've got the end of the strap here. So what I'm going to do now is take off the last bit, which is the bit that's stopping the watch from going. So take that off. Let's put that to the side, and there you go. It should start moving once I put it in. So there you go, that's how it works. And it uses a Japan movement, so it should be quite secure. Let's reset it. That's how it works. So sorry, I've just started it. Let's reset it. I'll let you guys, whoever wins it, play around with it and see how it works, etc. I've not looked at the details of that. I think you just let it run and then it'll move, so you can see both of them moving now. So that's what it looks like, guys. So I've got another watch as well. Once this competition's over, what I'll do is I'll do a live draw so you guys can see who's won it, just to show you that it's all authentic, etc. So I'll put the date up and I'll give a live view of the winning person who gets this, and it's only a UK kind of draw. So there you go, it's got a nice bezel. What I'm going to do now is show you how to adjust the strap, and I'll also put it on my wrist to show you what it looks like. Right, so remember this little screwdriver? What you do is you put it inside this little tab here. I hope you guys can see it. This little tab here, so guys, and then what you do is literally just pull it out like that, and it kind of unclips, and then you kind of like adjust it to your liking, and then you push it back down again with the screwdriver, and then put a bit of force on, and then it clicks back down. So what I'm going to do is do that, adjust it to my wrist, and then show you how it looks like on my wrist. So yep, there you go, that's what it looks like. Looks pretty decent. It's a nice little watch. It's nothing expensive, obviously. As I'm doing a giveaway, I'm getting nothing out of it. I'm not getting paid by YouTube at the moment, but I thought I'd just do a nice little giveaway. It's about to hit the 500 mark. Hopefully I can get to 1,000 soon. So I'll be doing another giveaway on this watch, on another watch, which is a little bit better than this. Well, in my opinion, it is. And I've also forgot to show you that the calendar, so that's how it works. And also, this is how you adjust it, backward, forward, and obviously you've got all of these stuff working. That's all working fine. Again, I haven't played around with this, so I don't know how to basically use this properly, but you guys can work it out, and whoever wins it can play around with it, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. One thing I forgot to mention is how the clasp locks on. So basically you've got this little bit there, and then you've got little hooks on the other side. As you can see here, they kind of like curve round. So you kind of like put it over that kind of rod, so it goes in securely like that. Put that one down, and it clicks in. So you guys didn't see that because of the lighting, and then you kind of put that clasp down, and that's locked into place. So yeah, guys, that's the review of the watch, and like I said, the description is going to be updated with how to enter the competition. There's only going to be one winner. I'm using Gleam, so it's going to be something that's authentic. Gleam is basically a website where people enter, and all your kind of details will be stored there, and then you use the website to pick a random winner. So I'm not going to be doing it myself, it's going to be all kind of computer generated. So I'm going to put all the details down below. Remember to comment, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.